show my dolls?
Yeah, definitely.
This is my Babu. This is my 2 Barbie dolls. This on Sunday I have bought, and this when my birthday was now, it has gifted. And one more. This is my favorite doll, and her hair is so silky, and she's look very beautiful. जैसे दिन आगे आगे आ रहे हैं वैसे ही लग रहा है हम लोगों की हम लोग इतने बड़े हैं उसमें गाने.
My name is Mangesh. I am 11 years old and I am a best friend of Ashish. Every day he is coming to my home and we are practicing.
The hills fill my heart with the sound of music. My heart wants to sing every song.
Wait. When you are singing, no, don't feel nervous because when you feel confidence, you will sing better. The hills fill my heart with the sound of music.
Yes, your voice is better than me. That's all.
You also can do like me also, but you are not concentrating and singing properly.
No, he is always forgetting. I know his birthday when his birthday is forgetting.